In the world of sports and global fashion, some faces don't just represent brands, they make a lot of money. Lexi Williams is one of those faces. In this video, you will learn about Lexi Williams' business and luxury lifestyle.
Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late.
Lexi's career reached a new top when she entered the boxing ring. As a top model for major promoters like Matchroom Boxing and DAZN, she's not just there for the cameras. These contracts are among the most coveted in the industry, often reaching 5 to 6 figures a year for top-tier talent. Being at these events is a strategic move that puts your face in front of millions of viewers around the world.
You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
A beautiful face, plus a spectacular body, plus appearing on millions of screens around the world results in millions of followers on social networks. And Lexi has taken advantage of that enormous number of followers on social networks to turn it into a money-making machine.
Heart it race, so catch me if I fall.
Lexi Williams is a favorite model for brands like Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing, often landing long-term partnership deals that provide a steady, high-volume income stream.
Better know, man, I still go, 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 go.
Now, let's talk numbers. While the exact figures are private, industry experts estimate Lexi's net worth to be around 7 figures. Between the payments she receives for each event, monthly payments from brands, and her private companies, it is estimated that her annual earnings exceed between $500,000 and $1 million.
You want anything you need, your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy.
This financial success is reflected in their lifestyle, from driving high-end European sports cars to staying at the most exclusive resorts in the world. She is the living embodiment of the new rich, someone who works hard, but increases her influence even more.
Go, 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 go,
What can we learn from Lexi Williams? It's about more than just a pretty face and an amazing body. It's about positioning. It's about choosing the right contracts and maintaining consistency. She is proof that today, your personal brand will be your greatest financial asset.
Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain.
Is she the most successful ring girl in the game right now? Leave your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the lifestyles of the most beautiful and successful women. See you in the next video.
You know, man, I still go, 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 go.